Ji Assalamu alaikum boys. Today we will talk about highest common factor. Highest common factor is known by HCF. That is called HCF. Okay. Let's have a definition of HCF. It says HCF is the largest number which is a factor of all the given numbers. Let's have a look what it says inside a bracket. It says two or more numbers. That explains you that whenever you are talking about HCF, HCF will definitely be based on two or more numbers. It could be 2 number, 3 number or 4, but at your level you are going to deal with only 2 or 3 numbers. So HCF is the largest number which is a factor of all the given numbers. So the numbers are given to us, that would be the largest factor of those numbers. Okay, let's have a look. There are certain examples. The first one, it says the HCF of 20 and 35. The two numbers have taken 20 and 35. It says the HCF will become for 20 and 35 is 5. Now, just check out 20 divisible by 5, yes, and 30, so divisible by 5. So, the common factor for 20 and 35 is 5. Let's have the other example that is based on 3 numbers 16, 24, 32. It says the HCF of 16, 24 and 32 is 8. Okay, just check out. 16 divided by 8, yes. 24 divided by 8, true. 32 divided by 8, yes. So it means 8 is the highest common factor for all 3 numbers. Now there is a point how we come to know that 5 is a HCF and 8 is a HCF of such numbers. So for that, I am going to explain you the working. Now this time I am going to explain you working with 2 numbers. The numbers are same, which already we have discussed. Okay. It says the HCF of 20 and 35. Basically, there is another method as well to find out the HCF, but this is the simple method and will be helpful in the next classes. In that method, what we are going to do is we are going to take the division method. That is called a division method. And in this method, we will check out by which number we can divide them one by one. Okay, 20 and 35. I will check what is a common factor or what is a common number by which I can divide 20 and I can divide 35. So 5 is a possibility. So when I divide them by 5, so 5 times 4 is 20 and 5 times 7 is 35. So the next I have to check out for 4 and 7. So I don't have any common number for 4 and 7, so that I will stop over here and 4 and 7 will be the remainder, whereas 5 will be the factor which I am looking for. So the HCF for 20 and 35 is 5. Now let's move on. This time I will explain you a working with 3 numbers. Okay, the numbers are same, 16, 24 and 32. Now the same thing I have to check out by which number I can divide all 3 of them. Okay, for that there is a possibility of 2. Every time we will go with the smallest prime number. We usually prefer to go with the smallest prime number. So 2 times 8 is 16. Well, 2 times 12 is 24. Okay, and 2 times 16 is 32. So I got 8, 12 and 16. Now I will check out by which number I can divide all three of them. So again, I am going to do it by 2. 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 6 is 12, and 2 times 8 is 16. Now I have remainders 4, 6 and 8. Again, I will check out a number by which I can divide all three of them. So again, the number is 2. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, whereas 2 times 4 is 8. Now check out. This time I am having remainders 2, 3 and 4. Now there is no common factor by which I can divide all three of them. So I will stop over here, and 2, 3, 4 will be the remainders, whereas 2 into 2 into 2 will be the HCF. So now will be the factors. So now HCF will become 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. In the next step, 2 multiplied by 2 will become 4. In the next step, 4 multiplied by 2 will become 8. That is how we will come to know that how we can work out the HCF for 2 or more than 2 numbers. Now, there is a home task. Find the LCM of the given numbers. There are certain numbers given: A part 18 and 30, B part 24 and 36, C part 18, 27 and 36, whereas D part 38, 16 and 24. You have to work them out, and then you will forward me the clip of the assigned work, and if there is any problem, we will discuss them later on. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Thank you.